Hello friends, welcome back to Greta's Travels and welcome to OBLU XPERIENCE Ailafushi, a beautiful resort island only 15 minutes speedboat from Malé with a very fun, carefree vibe and lots of great activities. In this video, I'll take you to check out this resort island. So let's go. OBLU XPERIENCE Ailafushi is located in the North Male Atoll and it's super easy to get to, as it's just a short 15-minute speedboat journey from Malé International Airport, which will be organized for you by the resort. OBLU XPERIENCE Ailafushi is a 4-star all-inclusive resort which is perfect for families with children, young couples and even groups of friends. It has a carefree vibe with plenty of entertainment options and organized activities all throughout the day. From Maldivian cultural shows or karaoke nights in the evening to aqua aerobics and beach volley during the day, there's always plenty happening to keep you entertained. But that doesn't mean you can't relax, unwind and focus on your wellness. At OBLU XPERIENCE Ailafushi, you'll find an amazing spa and a well-equipped Overwater Gym. At OBLU XPERIENCE Ailafushi, it's also easy to explore the beautiful underwater world of the Maldives. We did a house reef snorkel tour where we saw turtles, blacktip reef sharks, and even some Nemo fishes. You can also join a variety of other tours and cruises, which will take you to nearby islands to see even more marine life. All guests are automatically placed on the Fushi Plan, which is the all-inclusive plan at OBLU XPERIENCE Ailafushi. This includes all meals at ElementX, the main restaurant where you can have a buffet breakfast, lunch and dinner. One of the great things about the Fushi Plan is that it also includes alcohol. You can just help yourself to the beers and wine dispensers at ElementX and at the X360 pool bar, as well as daily complimentary cocktails and snacks. We are at Only BLU, the largest underwater restaurant here in the Maldives, and it's on the bridge that connects the two islands of OBLU XPERIENCE Ailafushi and OBLU Select Lobigili. The other specialty restaurant at OBLU XPERIENCE Ailafushi is the Copper Pot food truck. It's a casual food truck just steps away from the beach, but which doesn't compromise on comfort and taste. Here you can watch the chefs prepare you dinner inside the truck, and we had a delicious surf and turf barbecue. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video about OBLU XPERIENCE Ailafushi. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below, and make sure to like and subscribe and come back next week for a new video. Thank you. Bye.